Hello, good morning. Welcome to SAROJINI Smart Learning. So, for the last few episodes, you're learning regular math in the easiest format, and hope you understood everything, whatever the previous episodes we have done, and you can check my channel. And thank you for commenting your comments in the comment box. And for the last few episodes, we are doing different topics in one and two sessions, like parts, first part and second part. So in the last session also, we have done about geometry. What is geometry? How we measure? How we will find out the angles, etc. So in this episode also today, we are going to learn in the same geometry. It is one of the part of geometry. So how to find out the area of a given figure, or we call perimeter of a given figure. Yeah. So as we know, we are familiar with few uh, pictures like square, triangle, or rectangle, like that. So basing on those one, so it's an introduction part and basic part. I will tell. We call area and perimeter. Okay, we deal with area and perimeter. Suppose if you take a picture of a square, so what is area? What is area means the space bounded inside the lines, inside the given lines. This is completely comes under area. So here, this is a side, this is also side, okay, side and side. All the four sides are equal in a square. You know that in a square, all the four sides are equal. So if you want to find out area of a square, area of a square is nothing but the measurement of this part is multiplied with the measurement of this part. That is side into side. Side into side is, or we can call side square. So if it is in meters, so we call meter square. If it is in centimeter, we call it centimeter square. Okay. So this is what inside area. So this is a picture of rectangle. This is a picture of rectangle. So here we have length part and here a breadth part. So as I told, when we want to find out the area, the inside area, whichever is bounded by the four sides. So area of a rectangle is nothing but this side is multiplied with this side. That is length into breadth. Okay. So have you understood the difference? So if it is in meters, length in meters and breadth in meters. So the final answer you will get in meter square. If it is a centimeter, you will get in centimeter square. These are the two differences you have to remember for a square as well as for rectangle. Area is nothing but it is the measurement we measure inside the given figure. So that is what area is. Coming to perimeter, and I can give an example. So when we use the area in our house, when we construct a new house, so the mistri will put the tiles inside the room. Then you measure what is the length, what is the breadth. So if it is 10 into 20 or 200 meter square is there. Okay, one stone or one tile is this much area. So in that way you calculate and you will measure the room. So you will concentrate only on the areas. Now coming to the perimeter. Suppose, as I told, this is a square, this is side, this is side, side and side. So we are going to, this is a square. So perimeter of a square, perimeter of a square is nothing but, apart from the inside, what are the walls or the boundaries are there. So that is called perimeter. Suppose if I start from here, so this side, side plus this side plus this side plus this side. So how many sides are there? 4. So yes, side, side, side. So 4 sides, or we can call 4 into side. Suppose if it is in meters, it will come only meter. If it is centimeter, it will come in centimeter. This is the perimeter of a square. Now coming to rectangle, I will take rectangle. So this is the rectangle. As previously we discussed, this is the length part and this is the breadth part. Length and breadth. So if this is the length, this is also the same length, isn't it? If this is breadth, this is also breadth, isn't it? Now, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to, so as I told previously, from here we start this boundary, that is length, plus this boundary, that is breadth, plus again length, plus again breadth. So here we have length plus length, 2 lengths, and breadth plus breadth, 2 breadth. If you take 2 as common, so this is breadth. If you take 2 as common, so length plus breadth in meters or centimeters, whatever it is. So the perimeter of a rectangle is nothing but 2 into L plus B. 2 times of length, 2 times of breadth. And perimeter of a square is nothing but 4 into side, because all sides are equal. Here 2 length sides are equal, 2 breadth sides are equal. Because of that, 2 length, 2 breadth, which is equal to, if you take common, A plus B is the this one, right? Now coming to a triangle, if I take a triangle like this, say this is A, this is B, this is C. So this is nothing but base. We call this is the base side. And this is the height. Okay. So area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height is the area of a triangle. Whereas suppose if I ask you to find out the perimeter of a triangle, suppose if I take perimeter of a triangle, as I told, if you take one point from there, BC plus CA plus AB, or indirectly we can call AB plus BC plus CA. So this is the perimeter of a triangle. So I think you understood the difference between square, rectangle and perimeter and a triangle. Okay. So if you take a right angle triangle, okay. So we have A, B and C. And we can also call Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, so B is at a right angle at B, and opposite to is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay. What is hypotenuse? AC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So you have to just remember this formula. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, or AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So these are the basic things we are going to deal in this session. Okay. So basing on these square, rectangle, triangle, we'll do more and more example sums in our next session. So hope this basic session on formulas, how to remember formulas on square, rectangle, triangle, you understood. So thank you for today's session, and wait for the next session for my next video. In that we will do some sums. Okay, thank you.